In a dense jungle by a flowing river lived a clever monkey who loved juicy mangoes and a greedy crocodile who always wanted more than he needed. One day, they met near the riverbank. The crocodile wanted to eat the monkey but pretended to be friendly. "Dear monkey, my home is across the river. Come visit me for a feast," he said, licking his lips secretly. The clever monkey suspected the crocodile's plan. He said, "I'd love to come, but I left my heart on the mango tree. Can you take me back to get it?" As soon as they reached the tree, the monkey quickly jumped onto a high branch and laughed. "You can't trick me, crocodile. Greed will get you nowhere," he said. The crocodile realized his mistake, but it was too late. The monkey happily enjoyed his mangoes, while the crocodile remained hungry, learning that greed never pays. The crocodile, still hungry and unwilling to give up, thought of another plan. He said, "Monkey, I was only joking before. I truly want to be your friend. Let me bring you the biggest and sweetest mangoes from the other side of the river as a gift." The monkey, being clever, knew the crocodile was still trying to trick him. He smiled and said, "That's kind of you. But before I accept, show me how you carry mangoes across the river." The crocodile, eager to prove himself, grabbed some mangoes in his mouth and swam. But as he did, the mangoes slipped away and sank. The monkey burst into laughter. "Oh, crocodile! You can't even carry mangoes, yet you expect to carry me safely? I think I'll stay right here on my tree." The crocodile sighed, realizing his tricks had failed again. From that day on, he never tried to fool the monkey again.